to see your options when Southwest changes your flight on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. Here in the website, scroll down. After you scroll down, click on Manage Trip. After you click on Manage Trip, in here it will lead you to this page. Add your confirmation number, which is your flight confirmation number. After you have added your flight confirmation number, add your first name and your last name. Press on Look Up Reservation. Then you'll find all your reservation, and you will also find the reservation that you changed. And if your flight changes, you need to accept or pick another flight. And also it is for free if the Southwest Airlines changed your flight by themselves. You can also cancel for credit and refund if you are eligible. You can directly contact them to see if you can get a refund if you don't want to pick another flight. And this is how to see your options when Southwest Airlines changes your flight. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.